How to convert ICS to CSV file. Explore the best solutions.
Managing calendar data is essential when handling multiple meetings and events. ICS files store calendar information, but for analysis or use in tools like CSV or Excel, conversion is often needed. In this video, we'll show you simple manual and professional methods to convert ICS to CSV files quickly and accurately. Why convert ICS to CSV file? ICS files are great for storing calendar events, but they're not ideal for viewing or analyzing data. Converting ICS to CSV makes the information more structured and easier to work with in tools like Excel or Google Sheets.
Here are a few key reasons for this: easy data analysis, better compatibility, and simple sharing and backup. Now, let's see how to convert an ICS file to CSV for free using manual methods. The first method, using Microsoft Outlook. Open Outlook, then from the menu bar, click on the File option. In the left panel, select Open and Export. Next, click on Import/Export. From the list, choose Import an iCalendar or vCalendar file, and then click Next. Now, browse and select your ICS file and click OK to proceed. Now, click on the Import button. Once the ICS file is imported, click on the File option again from the top menu bar. In the left panel, select Open and Export. On the right side, click on Import/Export. From the list, choose Export to a file and then click Next. Now, select comma-separated values and click Next again. Choose the destination path by clicking on the Browse button and enter a name for the CSV file. Click Next, then click Finish. After that, click OK to start the export process. Once completed, open the folder where the CSV file was saved. Open the CSV file to check the data, and that's it. Now let's try the second method using Google Calendar. Open Google Calendar and make sure you're logged in to your Google account. Click on the gear icon at the top and select Settings from the list. In the left panel, click on Import and Export. On the right side, under the Import section, click on Select File from your computer. Locate and select your ICS file, then click Open. Click on the Import button and then click OK to confirm. After that, click on the Export button. Choose the destination where you want to save the file and then click Save. Open the Export folder. Extract the zip file. Here we're using WinRAR, but you can use any extraction tool you prefer. Open the ICS file in Notepad. From the menu bar, click on File, then select Save As. In the Save as Type option, choose All Files. In the file name, remove .ics and replace it with .csv. Click Save or press Enter. Now go back to the folder. You'll see the CSV file there. Open it to check the data. And that's it. Now let's look at the third method using Excel or Notepad. First, open the ICS file in Notepad and copy all the text data. Next, open Excel and paste the copied data. Make sure the data is selected, then go to the Data tab from the top menu. Click on Text to Columns. Ensure the Delimited option is selected, then click Next. In the Delimiters section, enable comma and space if required. Set the text qualifier to comma, then click Next. Finally, click Finish. And that's it.
While manual methods let you convert ICS to CSV for free, they also come with a few limitations. The process is time-consuming, involves multiple steps, and increases the risk of data loss, especially for recurring events or attachments. Manual methods are best for small files, as they don't support bulk conversion and can be confusing for some users. If you want a quick and reliable way to convert ICS to CSV, the SysTools ICS converter is the best option. Unlike manual methods, it ensures safe conversion without data loss or formatting issues. The tool also supports multiple export formats and is ideal for users handling large calendar data or working across different platforms.
You can find the download link in the description.
This is the interface of the SysTools ICS Converter tool. First, click on the Add File button at the top left to add your ICS file. In the Browse For section, you'll see two options. The first is File, which allows you to add single or multiple ICS files. The second is Folder, which lets you add one or more folders containing ICS files. This option is useful for large datasets. For this video, we'll go with the File option. In the Select Path section, click on the three-dot button on the right. A new window will open. Locate and select your ICS file, then click Open. Keep the temp folder path set to default. Now, click on the Add button to proceed. Once the ICS file is added, click OK to continue. On the left side, you'll see a list of the added ICS files. Click on any ICS file, and on the right side, you can preview its data. Now, to convert this data to CSV, click on the Export button from the top menu bar. The Export Settings window will open. Select the required ICS files or use the top checkbox to select all files at once. On the right side, choose the format you want to convert the ICS file into. The tool supports multiple formats like PST, PDF, MSG, CSV, ICS, HTML, TXT, and print. For this video tutorial, we'll select the CSV format. In the Destination section, the default export path is set to the desktop. You can change this by clicking the Browse button on the right. Below that, keep the Maintain Folder Hierarchy option enabled as default. Once all settings are configured, it's time to convert the files. Click on the Export button to start the process. The conversion process has been completed successfully. Click OK to continue. Now, open the Export folder where your files were saved. Open the folder and then open the CSV file. And that's it. This is how you can convert an ICS file to CSV using these methods.